Did you know that one simple fruit could dramatically improve your health as you age? And it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me until the end to discover why health experts are calling avocados a game changer for seniors. While avocados have become incredibly popular in recent years, most people have no idea just how powerful they are for aging bodies. This creamy green fruit is packed with nutrients that specifically address the health challenges we face as we get older. Let me share with you 10 surprising reasons why avocados deserve a special place in your diet, especially after 50. First, unlike most fruits that spike your blood sugar, avocados contain less than 1/4 gram of sugar per half. This makes them perfect for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Research shows that replacing saturated fats with the healthy fats found in avocados can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Second, when it comes to potassium, avocados actually beat bananas. A single half contains around 345 milligrams of this essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. Third, studies published in cardiovascular research journals reveal that eating avocados just twice a week is linked to significantly lower rates of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats work to reduce harmful cholesterol while protecting your cardiovascular system. Before we continue, if you're finding this information valuable, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our health tips. Fourth, avocados contain a unique combination of vitamin E, antioxidants and healthy fats that fight chronic inflammation, which is at the root of many age-related diseases. Fifth, the high fiber and fat content keeps you feeling satisfied for hours, helping you maintain a healthy weight and avoid unhealthy snacking. Sixth, avocados act as natural prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, immunity and even mental clarity. Seventh, avocados are rich in lutein, the same brain-boosting antioxidant found in spinach. Research connects regular avocado consumption with better memory, faster thinking and improved cognitive function in older adults. Eighth, just one half provides nearly 20% of your daily magnesium needs. This often overlooked mineral is crucial for muscle function, energy production and mood balance. Ninth, the healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods you eat. Adding avocado to your salad or vegetables multiplies the nutritional value of your entire meal. 10th, avocados contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals working together. From vitamin K and folate to B vitamins, iron, copper and zinc, few foods match this nutritional density. This powerful combination supports red blood cell formation, immune defense, nerve function and cellular metabolism. What makes avocados truly special for seniors is how they address multiple health concerns simultaneously while being delicious and easy to incorporate into any meal. Whether you slice them on toast, blend them into smoothies or add them to salads, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to thrive in your golden years. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health insights.